Hello everyone. Welcome to International FDP on Environment and Sustainability, organized by DY Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, in association with United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Today I am going to represent week 4 video as an part of International FDP. I, Mrs. Rupali Jadhav, uh, belongs to Thakur Institute of Management Studies Career Development and Research Department as a Master of Computer Application. My subject is Green Computing and Optimization. For week 1 video, uh, the YouTube link is uploaded, which receives 4 likes and 15 views, where it represents that introduction to green computing as a part of green IT, whereas week 2 video represents introduction to green computing and optimization, which receives 1 like and 3 views. Video outcome is understanding the concept of green IT and green computing as a part of green IT. Explain ISO standard applicable to green computing and optimization. Analyze carbon emission carbon footprints related to the green computing and optimization. Let's see ISO or industry standards or norms. Energy Star rating is a standard which which can be represented by Australian government to set the energy rating for household application. ISO 14000 is an ISO standard to establish standard for environment management system. Green Grid is a standard given by consortium of IT companies to define user-centric and meaningful models. Climate Saver is an standard started by Google and Intel to reduce computer power consumption. A carbon footprint. A carbon footprint is a total amount of greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide and methane, that are generated by our action. To avoid 2 degrees Celsius rise in global temperature, the average global carbon footprint per year needs to be dropped under 2 tons by 2015. Carbon footprint with ISO 14064. ISO 14000 includes a series of environmental management standards which are intended to assist organizations in managing their environmental impact of their business practices to constantly improve their environmental performance. ISO 14064 provides organization with the tools for programmers to measure, quantify and reduce greenhouse gas emission and achieve carbon neutrality. These standards consist all 6 greenhouse gases and calculated using carbon calculator. The 6 gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, hydrofluorocarbons, perfluorocarbons, and sulfur hexafluoride. These gases reside in the atmosphere and trap the heat, trying to escape, causing the earth to heat up. Green computing and optimized algorithms helps to improve the green environmental sustainability. One way of reducing energy is to use power saving softwares. These softwares controls forces PC to go to standby mode when not in use. This will helps to improve the lifespan of PC and also reduce carbon footprints. Yes, I had got this information from following source. Thank you.